Hundreds of thousands of kids unexpectedly out of school. Districts are getting a little creative with how they're supporting families at this time. One local school district is providing meals in a way you can't miss if you're driving by. Our Alyssa Donovan has all the details. Alyssa, tell us about how they're going about this in a pretty unique way.
Yeah, you know what? This is a great story. There are about 5,500 students in the Plainfield School District, and some of those kids depend on school for their daily breakfast and lunch, which is why the school district got creative, and they found a way to get that food to their students, any student who needs it during this time. This is the Quaker Break food truck.
There you go, buddy. There's yogurt in there, too. We are serving peanut butter and Uncrustables, and with the allergies, it's ham and turkey, cheese, like a Subway sandwich. There you go, my dear. There you go. Enjoy.
And Pop-Tarts or yogurt for tomorrow morning's
and
breakfast.
They get cookies or chips.
The friendly faces in the window, Leanne and Tammy, both cooks for Plainfield Community School District.
Oh, I love this thing.
We love the bus. Yes, we love the bus.
You know, it was sitting there at the bus garage, and so why not put it to use serving meals?
The repurposed school bus is typically used as part of a life skills program for high school students.
They're learning customer service skills, how to greet somebody when they approach them.
But as COVID-19 causes closures, it's now the mobile feeding unit for Plainfield Community Schools.
Hi, guys. Everybody get one?
Families adjusting to e-learning, grateful for the food and a reason to step outside.
Sat at the kitchen table this morning. The lesson plan for my son was there a little after 8 o'clock. And we began right away. He's enjoying it, and we take a break about now. And
the bus is one of 4 vehicles circulating the district to feed thousands of kids stuck at home.
Thank you. You're welcome. Come back to see us tomorrow, okay? Okay.
But this one is definitely the most eye-catching.
There we go. I'll be over there.
And they will continue passing out sack lunches through Friday this week and then Monday through Friday next week. Then Plainfield School District goes on spring break. At that time, they will reassess if they need to continue doing this sack lunch service for the community. If you have a kid in the Plainfield School District, you can check on our website, theindychannel.com, to see the schedule for the mobile feeding units. Reporting live, Alyssa Donovan, RTV6.